Vanguard ETFs dominate long-term portfolios for one reason. They keep costs brutally low, and low fees mean more money stays invested, especially when you are building real wealth for retirement. You want safety, but you need growth. Most investors overcomplicate this. They buy 50 stocks, panic sell, and lose. You only need 3 specific Vanguard ETFs to build a bulletproof portfolio. I will show you their exact 10-year historical returns, their fees down to the penny, and exactly how to combine them based on your age. The second ETF I reveal has returned over 300% in 10 years. Let's get into it. The first ETF is the bedrock. If you own nothing else, you own this. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO. Most of you already know VOO, but you need to understand why it works. With VOO, you are buying a piece of the American economy. You own Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Berkshire Hathaway. But here is the secret weapon of the S&P 500 and why it works for the 35 to 65 age bracket: self-cleansing. The index is ruthless. If a company starts failing, like Macy's or Sears, it gets kicked out. If a company becomes dominant, like Tesla or Nvidia, it gets added. You don't have to pick winners. The index does it for you. Let's look at the performance. This is what matters. Over the last 10 years, VOO has delivered an average annualized return of approximately 13.6%. If you invested $10,000 10 years ago, you wouldn't have $10,000. You would have over $35,000 today. You did no work. You did no research. You just held VOO. But wait, for someone over 40, VOO has a flaw. It is 100% stocks. In 2022, it dropped 18%. In 2008, the index dropped nearly 40%. If you are retiring in 5 years, 100% VOO is dangerous. You need a stabilizer. And if you want to retire rich, you need an accelerator. Now, if VOO is the engine, this next ETF is the turbocharger. This is the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker VGT. VGT has returned roughly plus 330% over the last 10 years. Despite this performance, the expense ratio is surprisingly cheap. We live in the greatest technological revolution in history. VGT allows you to own that revolution. VGT holds roughly 320 technology stocks, but it is heavily concentrated in the winners. It has massive exposure to Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Technology drives US productivity. Demand for automation, cloud computing, and semiconductors is only rising. When you buy VGT, you are making a specific bet. You are betting that technology will continue to run the world. The expense ratio is slightly higher, 0.1%. That's $10 per year for every $10,000 invested. Still incredibly cheap compared to a mutual fund.
Now, look at the returns. This is why you deal with the volatility. Over the last 10 years, VGT has crushed the market. It has returned approximately 22.1% annualized. Let's do the math again. Remember that $10,000 investment? In VOO, it became $35,000. In VGT, that same $10,000 grew to over $73,000. This is the power of concentration. But here is the warning for my audience over 50. When the market gets scared, tech gets sold first. In 2022, while the S&P dropped 19%, tech dropped nearly 30%. If you are 60 years old, a 30% drop is a disaster. You cannot put your entire life savings here. VGT is for the growth portion of your portfolio, the money you don't need for 7 to 10 years. So, we have the foundation, VOO, we have the accelerator, VGT. Now we need the measure of safety, the ETF that pays you to sleep at night. Most people think safety means bonds, but with inflation, bonds can lose purchasing power. You don't just want safety, you want growing income. The third ETF is the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, ticker VIG. There is a misconception about dividend investing. Many people chase high yield. They buy funds that pay 4% or 5%, like VYM. Notice I didn't choose the high yield fund. I chose dividend appreciation. There is a massive difference. High yield funds often buy failing companies that pay big dividends just to keep investors happy. I will cover the deep dive on VYM versus VIG in our next video, but for now, let's focus on why VIG wins for safety. VIG only buys companies that have increased their dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. It filters out the junk. It buys quality. It holds companies like Microsoft, United Health, and JP Morgan Chase. These are companies with so much cash they give it back to you year after year. The cost? 0.06%, extremely low. Why do you want this? Because in a crash, VIG tends to fall less than the S&P 500. It offers downside protection. And the return? Over the last 10 years, approximately 11.9% annualized. It is lower than VOO and VGT, but the ride is smoother. For someone approaching retirement, this is your paycheck replacement. You get cash flow, but you also get stock price appreciation. It is the best of both worlds. Before we discuss the exact portfolio mix, we need to address the silent killer of retirement portfolios, taxes. If you hold mutual funds in a taxable brokerage account, you might get hit with capital gains distributions at the end of the year, even if you didn't sell a single share. You get a tax bill just for holding the fund. Vanguard ETFs are structured differently. They are tax efficient. You generally only pay capital gains tax when you decide to sell. For Americans in the 35 to 65 bracket, who are likely in their peak earning years, this tax efficiency saves you thousands of dollars over a decade. Combine the tax efficiency with the low expense ratios we discussed, and you are keeping almost 99.9% of your returns. Wall Street hates these funds because they can't make money off you. That is exactly why you should buy them.
So, you have the three tools. VOO for the market exposure, VGT for the explosive tech growth, VIG for the stability and cash flow. How do you mix them? Your mix depends on your timeline. If you are 35 to 45, you have time. Go 50% VOO, 40% VGT, 10% VIG. You are heavy on tech. You want that 22% return potential. If you are 45 to 55, retirement is getting closer. We trim the risk. Shift to 60% VOO, 20% VGT, 20% VIG. We lower the tech exposure, increase the core, and double the safety. If you are 55 plus, you cannot afford a 30% drop. Preservation matters. Go 50% VOO, 10% VGT, 40% VIG. You keep a small slice of tech to fight inflation, but you lean heavily on the dividend growers to keep your portfolio stable. The strategy is simple. Buy these three, set up an automatic monthly deposit, and ignore the news. Time in the market beats timing the market. I researched the market so you don't have to. If you want to know which Fidelity ETFs beat these Vanguard ones, hit the subscribe button and click the bell to tell YouTube you love making money. I'll see you in the next video.